Hi friends, hope all of you are doing very well. Thanks for your wonderful support for watching our podcast videos on financial tips and mutual funds. And thanks for your wonderful response. And thanks for your wonderful and positive feedbacks as well. And by following our videos, our existing customers also increased their investments. And even we got the new customers as well. So once again, thanks a lot for all of you, and even for our YouTube channel proprietorship as well. Okay. So as you know, I am working as a certified financial consultant as well. So based on that, I want to discuss one point today. Like the topic is the what are the essentials every person should have, right, as part of the life planning or maybe financial planning. Okay. So it's not depending on the income source, right? Whether they are the lower class people or middle class people or rich people or HNI, whatever it may be, whatever the category it is. But every person should have these essentials to make your life very smooth and happy. Okay. So this is the thing I want to discuss with you. First, I want to share my screen. Yeah. So first we need the health insurance. Okay. See, within these three, some people maybe give the priority to the different. Right? Maybe some people will talk, see, term insurance is more important. Some people may talk personal accident is more important. Right? As I am telling, these three definitely we should have. It's not the case. Okay, suppose if I have the health insurance, so I can ignore this, I can ignore this. It's not the case. Everything is important here. So in that case, you can't consider, okay, this is the first priority, this is the second priority, this is the third priority. Don't take in this order only. But as per me, what I'm considering is the, see, first of all, if you don't have the proper health, see how you can manage your further way. I mean, further things. Right? Suppose I have the term insurance, but I don't have the proper health. So my entire amount is going with the hospitalization on. Then how you can manage this term insurance? Right? So that's the reason I am considering the first priority as the health insurance. Okay. So when we are discussing with you personally, then we will decide, okay, how much health insurance it will be required for you. Okay, so depends on your age, depends on your health condition. Okay, so what are the further challenges it will be there? So by considering a lot of factors, we will decide, okay, this much health insurance will be sufficient for you, either for you or maybe for you, your entire family, like considering the family floaters, right? So generally family floaters, we will get the lesser cost compared to the individual insurances. Okay, so some people usually we are hearing like a lot of employees they are keep on saying, right, maybe my our employer is providing the health insurance for us, right? So if you take the lot of companies, maybe they are providing to the up to 3 lakhs or 5 lakhs, depends on the your designations, right? Everyone is not getting the same kind of health insurance amount, right? And the second problem is the, see, suppose you have moved out from the company, whatever the reasons it may be, okay, or maybe termination is happened or layoffs are happened. Right. In that situation, by any chance, the health got damaged and you got the hospitalization. So then how the insurance will be there, or maybe how the coverage will be there. Once you moved out from the company, the insurance doesn't work. Then you have to pay amount from your pocket. Right? To avoid that kind of scenarios, it's better always you can have the minimum 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs as an additional one. As per the company, see, nowadays the minimum thing is at least 2 lakhs to 3 lakhs. A lot of companies are providing. That is the minimum. Right? So that things you can keep as the additional thing, as an additional support. Right? So we don't know when the termination will happen, how long we are going to do the jobs and all. Right? So whether employer is not like our service, or maybe you are not like the employer, so obviously these kind of scenarios will happen. Right? So to avoid that kind of cash losses, so we are suggesting the health insurance here. Definitely you should have the additional. If you don't have as of now from employer or anywhere, but first you need to take up. This is the necessary one. Okay. So some people may be having the Arogyasri cards and all, depends. So depends on the state. Maybe whatever they are getting the additional benefit from that particular government. That is also fine. At least somewhere you should be have the protection. Right. By any chance, maybe the government is changed. So what about that card also? Right. Now if I am not taking, when I have the need, that time I want to take, maybe at the age of 40 years or 45 years, something like that. So you can't assure you will get that insurance. That time the main key role is playing the what is the health condition you have. Right. Even though you have the good health condition, based on the age, the premium will be keep on increasing. Okay. Age factor is the main criteria here. And your health condition also. That's why it's always better you can take in the very younger ages. Definitely you will get the insurance that time. Right. So there is no chances you have a lot of health issues in the younger ages. Right. While the age is increasing, obviously we will face the lot of health issues based on our current conditions, current weather, or maybe lifestyle, or maybe working culture, whatever it's maybe. Right. So that's why first thing you need to take up the health insurance. So that's why I'm giving first priority to this one. Second one is the personal accident insurance. So what it is indicating is the any accident happened due to any reason. It's not only vehicle accidents only I'm talking here. Right? Maybe simply fell down in the home, maybe in the bathroom, or maybe in the common room, somewhere, wherever it is. Right? What happened? Because of that, probably some days you are not in the position to go to the workplace. Right? So that time you will lose the money. So how you can cover up that amount? So that time, personal accident, whatever, wherever the company we are taking, right, that company will support you. So weekly basis, they will give the some amount to you. Okay, even you can take the up to 50 lakhs, 1 crore also depends on the whatever the salary you are having. Okay, whatever the financial situation you are having. Okay, so next thing is the term insurance. So with the lesser amount, you will get the higher protection, like high sum assured, like 1 crore, 2 crore, 3 crore, like this. Right. If you go with the endowment policies, whole life policies, so there the coverage won't be much. You can't get the 1 crore, 2 crores like that. Right. Even by chance, if you are getting also, you have to pay very higher amount. Maybe in the term insurance for 1 crore, if you are paying for the 20,000 based on your age, but the same thing if you go to the whole life, you need to pay the at least 40,000 to 50,000 per year. That much huge variation will be there. First of all, you won't get, but by any chance getting also, the premiums will be higher only. Okay. So these three are the for the protection purpose. Our life has to be protected in all the ways. Right. Then only if anything happens also, these insurances will take care. You need not to pay any amount from your pocket. Okay. That's why you can save the money. If I don't have all these things, what happens? By any chance anything is happening here, obviously, you need to pay money from your pocket. See, whatever the earnings you've done till then, or whatever the cash you have till then, everything has to be utilized here. So one time hospitalization happen, maybe one big health problem is coming, that is enough. Your half of the earnings will be gone. Right? So even though how much health conditions you are maintaining, how much exercises we are doing, how much good health, good food you are taking also, no one can assure you won't get the any kind of health problems. Right? We don't know what is the thing. Just maybe that time it is stopping, or maybe it is delaying. That's it. Once you stop all these your disciplines, right, obviously everything will come, or maybe based on the age also it will come. That time if you want all these things also, there is no guarantee companies can provide. So going the time period, the companies also looking into the different way factors. See, earlier it is coming very easily. See, that time maybe they want the lot of customers, so that's the reason they are giving very smoothly, very easily they are giving. See, like nowadays a lot of frauds are happening. lot of cheatings are happening, lot of wrong claims are happening. See, based on all these things, they are making the very strict. There is a lot of verifications, a lot of health checkups, okay, a lot of financial background verifications. Even a lot of companies, they are going to the companies also to verify whether really you are employee or not, whether you are getting that much salaries or not, whatever you are telling. So that level, the things are happening, right? So going forward, how much strictly it will happen also, we don't know. In that situation, if you want all these kind of things, right, so you can't get it also. So with the small ages, if you are getting, right, that's you can continue. And going further, if you want to increase based on your need, that also you can increase. Okay, so all these services we are also providing. So you can utilize our services for these things also. We know which is the best company, or maybe which is providing the proper services to you, and whatever the amount we are paying for that, more than that, how much the benefits you can get, right? That's we can suggest for you. Okay, we are not telling one company is good, one company is not good, like that. See, based on our needs, we need to decide, right, which company will be suitable for you, as a service wise, benefits wise, premium wise. Okay, everything we need to consider. It's not the case simply wherever the premium is less, I want to take it. So tomorrow the service is not good, what you will do? Right, whom you can contact, right? So it's not the matter whether these has to be taken in the local areas only, right? Everywhere the rules and terms and conditions are same only, right? You need to select the best premium, I mean best insurance, best company, best service, right? It's not based on the just rankings someone is given, okay, based on the someone is recommending, right? When we are discussing personally, we'll come to know really which is required. So that is the role of our advisory here. Okay, it's not the simply case of the premium is less, or just the hospital is very near to us, that's the reason I am taking this company thing. Okay, there is a lot of factors we need to take it up. So based on that thing, as a financial advisor, as a certified people, we will suggest you which will be suitable for you, where there won't be no, I mean much terms and conditions, or it's not the critical things, so everyone can understand, right? Some companies, they will give the terminology and terms and conditions very higher level, even we can't understand, right? So in the which companies is a very simplified manner, and which where the clients are more, where the support is very high, right, where the service is very good, so we know better than you, right? That's the reason you can utilize our support. That's what we can appeal to you. Okay, so next, coming to the investments area. See, this is the protection thing, and now we are taking the investments area, right? So investments, why we are telling the mutual funds is the, see, there is a lot of ways, right, to consider the investments. So RD is there, fixed deposit is there, chits are there, share markets are there, a lot of things are there, right? So out of all these things, we told why the mutual fund is very good, considering a lot of factors. Okay, for that we done already videos, number of videos, so you can go through all those things. Okay, I am not telling you should not do all those things. Okay, if you can manage those things and manage this thing also, that is fine. If you can't manage, at least you have to go through these things only first. Later only you can go with the whatever the additional things you want. Okay, suppose if you are not interested for the mutual funds, the insurances nowadays, we have the lot of benefits from the guaranteed return schemes. Okay, even you can get for the amount monthly basis also. Okay, earlier days we are getting after 10 years, after 15 years, or maybe after retirement, like that we have. But nowadays we have the first month onwards also you can get the cashbacks. So either of the things you can consider, either mutual funds way or maybe guarantee returns way. Okay, my suggestion, both you can follow. There is different reasons why we have to follow. Okay, so suppose if we done the mutual funds, so generally we will do for the maybe 5 years, 10 years, or 15 years, or something like that, based on our goal, right? Once you done these SIPs, so later stages you can implement the SWP, like monthly basis you can do the withdrawals, or if you have the full amount need, so you can take the entire money also. That's up to you. Okay, so these two parts we are considering the investment purpose and getting the returns. First three we are considering the as part of protection. So every person has to maintain these things as mandatory. It is not the case this year I will take the health insurance, next year I will take the personal accident insurance. It's not the case like that. Every year you need to follow these things as the mandatory. There is no option at all. By any chance our income levels is very less, then you can reduce this sum assured. See, instead of 5 lakhs, maybe you can take the 2 lakhs or maybe 3 lakhs. Here personal accident insurance, instead of 50 lakhs, probably you can go with the 20 lakhs or 10 lakhs. But definitely you should have, based on our income situation, financial resources, we can consider the whether higher amounts or lesser amounts. I mean sum assured I'm telling. But all these things every person should maintain, they should have. Otherwise, when the need is coming, when the trouble is coming, then only we'll come to know what is the importance of all these things. That time obviously you need to pay money from your pocket only. Whatever earnings happened, whatever the savings happened till then, everything will be collapsed. Right, what kind of situation you want, that you can decide by yourself. Okay, so next thing is the, see, all these services we are only providing, we will be very happy to provide our best services to you, whatever you are expecting. So more than that, definitely we will provide the services, definitely you will like our services. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Please do the subscribe and share, like as well, and provide your valuable feedbacks as well, and share with your nears and dears, family members, and encourage them to follow our videos and have the proper knowledge in the financial tips and have the proper knowledge in the insurances side, investments wise as well. So generally people think insurance in the sense, so that's not at all required. But nowadays it is very essential. If you want to save your money and if you want to keep it up, whatever the earnings you have done, if you don't want all those things, so definitely insurance is not mandatory. That's why we are not telling all kind of insurances, right? So in the insurances we have various types, but we are not telling each and every insurance, right? Even term insurance also we have the return on premium, right? So most of the people like, see, suppose the death is not happen after 30 years or 40 years or 50 years, whatever the duration we are selected, right? So that moment people are expecting the money has to come back to you. See, there we are seeing the protections, we are not seeing the returns and investments here. The investments purpose we told already, these mutual funds and all. There you can get the whatever the returns you want and whatever the expectation you want, you can consider based on the risk whatever you are taking, based on the fund whatever you are selecting. Okay, but insurances and all, you are not supposed to expect the returns and all. That is what the mistake is happening from the people, right? Protection is the main important. So based on that, the premiums also reducing. If you want both protection plus returns, obviously your premiums will be increased. Okay, that's the reason we are suggesting the pure vanilla term insurance. That is the good for you, and it will come for the lesser price only, very what we can say, reasonable prices only. Okay, that is enough for us. Returns and all we can take care in the mutual fund kind of investments. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks a lot.